Congratulations to Igbo people. They have done it. Now, finally, God have answered our prayer. Now they are sitting to divide this country. And by the time they divide this country, anybody in Benue State that think Benue people will follow Hausa, that person have lied. Try to go and create your own Benue because you are following Biafra.
Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwezenu. Kwenu. Let me tell you people. We and Igbo, Benue State have the same similar culture with the Igbo people. We dey tie our wrapper for the left-hand side, likewise the Igbo people. So as they are dividing this country, we are going to Igbo states. The so-called Hausa people should be aware that you are not part of them. And Igbo people, please accept the Benue people like that too. Brother used to quarrel, brother used to settle. Don't use the statement of the Biafra war and reject us. We are together in peace, unity, and love.
One Biafra,
one nation.
Those two men are from Benue State. They said that if Nigeria divides, that Benue State will follow Biafra and not northern Nigeria. The other man there started by saying Igbo kwenu. And after that, he said that Igbo and Benue people have similar culture. That Igbo tie wrapper in the left and Benue people also tie wrapper in the left. So, na wrapper come make we Igbo people and Benue people one people. After that comment where you make now, you go see some of our Igbo people where they agitate for Biafra. They go come social media, they write, Benue State is Biafra. All because they saw some people from Benue State saying that Benue State will join Biafra. And those Benue people that don't want Benue State to join Biafra, they will start dragging Igbo. Calling Igbo expansionists. Calling Igbo land grabbers. So many Igbo people are so emotional. If they see this video now, they go start to be happy say Benue people talk say they won't join Biafra. The same Benue people that killed Igbo massively during the Biafra war. During the Biafra war, Middle Belt people are so much in the Nigeria army. What these people did to us, mouth no fit talk am. Why are these two men from Benue State saying that they want Benue State to join Biafra? It's simply because the North is not favoring them. If no be say Fulani terrorists they kill Benue people, will you see this set of Benue people coming online to say that they want Benue State to join Biafra, that Benue is Biafra? These people are only saying all these things to use Biafra as a way of escaping Nigeria. If Nigeria will divide, it will be divided into so many countries. Biafra, Oduduwa, Arewa, Middle Belt people, now they know what they go call their own country. Middle Belts are predominantly Muslims. Those people have the same mindset with Hausa Fulani people. These people na Islam that they practice. We are not the same with them. Our Igbo brothers that are agitating for Biafra are saying that the part of Benue State that will be in Biafra are the indigenous Igbo people in Benue State. They are the ones that will be carved out from Benue State and join Biafra, not the whole Benue State. If you are agitating for Biafra, that Biafra should be Igbo Republic, just Igbo. Anybody from other ethnicities wait to say they won't join Biafra, that thing as one to be say na agreement it go be. If Urobo people to say they won't join Biafra, they go come willingly. If you just say they won't join Biafra, they go come willingly. But coming to social media, calling all these people Biafra, it not makes sense. Look at what is happening on social media today. You will see people from other ethnic nationalities in the South, in the Middle Belt, dragging Igbo, calling Igbo expansionists for adding them in the map of Biafra. The reason why these men are saying all these things is because they want to use Biafra as a way to escape Nigeria. The other one said that Igbo should accept Benue people as their brothers. That Igbo should not use the statement of the Biafra war and reject Benue people. That statement of the Biafra war that he said there means that Igbo should forget what Benue people did to Igbo during the Biafra war and accept them as our brothers. That is the meaning of that word, statement of the Biafra war. Benue people know the role that they played during the Biafra war against Igbo. There is a video circulating on social media some time ago when a man from Benue State said that Benue people killed Igbo massively during the Biafra war. That if war happens again in Nigeria between the federal government of Nigeria and Igbo, that they Benue people will massively kill Igbo again. The man is saying it with his full chest. He is saying it with joy. He is saying it with all seriousness. The man talk say if war start again, say they Benue people go kill Igbo. Igbo lost more than 3.1 million Igbos during the Biafra war. Benue people are one of the people that killed Igbo massively. We can't see person from Benue State, they thought say they are proud of killing Igbo. Say if war start again, they go still kill Igbo. And these ones are here saying, Igbo should accept them in Biafra. As they talk this thing now, go their platform, you go see so many Igbo people don't start to follow them. Because of say they thought say they want make Benue State to join Biafra. If some Igbo people just see someone from another ethnic nationality say sweet thing about Igbo, boom, Igbo don't fool their social media handle. They follow them, they comment for their page. You are good, you are nice, keep saying the truth. Some Igbo people don't know how social media works. They don't know. Anybody will just come and talk sweet thing about Igbo, boom, Igbo will start to follow them. Some people from Benue State will tell you, during the Biafra war, they don't know that Igbo people are not the problem, but they were deceived. That was why they joined Nigerian army to be killing Igbo during the Biafra war. You joined Northerners to be killing Igbo. Did Igbo kill Benue people? No. Before the Biafra war, did Igbo invade Benue State? No. But instead, the people of Benue State join the federal government of Nigeria to be killing Igbo that did not offend them. So anybody from Benue State when they thought say, Benue State is Biafra, that person just they deceive himself. Stop trying to use Igbo to escape Nigeria. If you want to leave Nigeria, create your own republic. Just as the job people they thought say they won't get Niger Delta Republic. Benin people are saying on social media that they want Benue Republic, where the Oba of Benin will be the supreme leader of their republic. You people in the Middle Belt, make una form on our own forum and start agitating that you want to leave Nigeria and stop using Biafra. Stop to the thought say, if Biafra come, we go follow Biafra. You people should start your own movement there. Because when the heat of the Biafra go start now, federal government go send Nigerian army, come southeast, start to kill Igbo. Una why the Benue State, una go come on body, you no concern us, we not follow. When they take on do Operation Python, that's and Crocodile Smile for Anambra State, we not see una come out and say una be Biafra. Make federal government still carry that problem, come Benue State. No. As everywhere don't come now, una come out online, they tell say, Benue State and Igbo are one people. We Igbos and Benue people are not one people. We are not brothers. We are Igbo people. You people are Benue people. Our brothers in Benue State are the indigenous Igbo people in Benue State. We are just neighbors. Now this is we they talk. You go see some people they come and say, you are a tribal bigot. You are preaching hate. If we are brothers, why did the people of Benue State kill Igbo massively during the Biafra war? That is the same thing you will see Benin people saying that we are Nyama people are their brothers, and Nyama people are Benin people, Okwane people are Benin people, Ika people are Benin people, Oshimiri and Anyocha people are Benin people. But during the Biafra war, Okwane people and the Ika people in this Anyama land that ran into Benin land for safety, Benin people were killing them, calling them Owibo. So many Okwane people were killed by Benin people in that Edo state. During the Biafra war, Ibanke people in Edo state that ran into Benin land for safety, Benin people were slaughtering these people. Okwane people that ran into Isoko and Urobo land in this Delta state for safety during the Biafra war, Urobo and Isoko people were leeching our people. What I'm telling you now is a historical fact. Come on the land, ask our elders all this thing. They will tell you the same thing. These are the reasons why our people in Anioma land started denying their Igbo identity, saying that they are not Igbo people. Tomorrow you go see somebody from Benin go tell you say, we Benin people and Anioma people are brothers. If you are brothers with Anioma people, why were you killing them during the Biafra war? Benue people, if you are brothers with we Igbos, why were you people killing us during the Biafra war? If you say you are brothers with a people, the way you go take the associate with that people matters a lot. History will record the good relationship between you and that people. You people should stop deceiving yourselves. We Igbos and Benue people are not enemies. We Igbos and Benin people are not enemies. We Igbos and Urubandisoko people are not enemies. We are just neighbors. We Igbos have no brother in Nigeria. We Igbos, we stand alone. Anything where we Igbos, they do with other people for Nigeria, we they do and with them because we are all Nigerians. We they do and with them as neighbors, not as brothers. Make everybody answer in Papa name. Nigeria don't tire you. You begin to say you are the Igbo na brothers. But during the Biafra war, you not show us say we be brothers. We are brothers after you people have killed more than 3.1 million Igbos. As Fulani terrorists start to dey kill una come know say okay say una not be brothers with Hausa Fulani you people should not use the statement of the Biafra war to reject we Benue people as your brothers. That statement of the Biafra war alone don't show say we Igbo people and you Benue people are not brothers. If Benue people wants to leave Nigeria, they should form their own organization with other people in the middle belt and start agitating that this is what their own republic will be called, that they don't want to be in Nigeria again. That is how to go about it. Not saying that you people are Biafra. You want to join Biafra. The only brother that we Igbos have is Igbo. We stand alone in this country called Nigeria. Make everybody bear their papa name. Ishe Wale.